Hi friends, welcome back. When you need to restore your profile picture to the default in Windows 10, make sure you watch this video until to the end. Before we do anything, there is one important thing we need to take care of first. We need to make sure hidden files and folders are visible on your computer. When File Explorer is opened, look to the top and select View tab. Then, make sure you check this box to show hidden files and folders. After that, right-click on Windows Start button, select Settings, and then go to Accounts. Once you are in Accounts, click on Browse for one option. From here, navigate to this PC, then open your C drive. Now look for a folder called Program Data and open it. Then go into Microsoft. Right there, you will see a folder called Default Account Pictures. Go ahead and open it. You will see several default profile images. Simply pick one. After a few seconds, that image will be applied as your profile picture. So, I hope you learned how to restore the default profile picture in Windows 10.